Right, well here we are, built up. Box section running around there. I haven't welded every joint, it's really not necessary. Worked out okay. Top has stayed nice and flat in spite of my welding. There's a tiny bit of distortion, I think, when it was laser cut. It's kind of a little high in the middle, but for what I want to do, it will be fine. It's only a 1/16 of an inch maybe. I might have a look at that. I like things to sit flat without rocking, but mostly they do. I'm just going to crane it into its new home at the back here. I want to quickly show you these I got today. Safety glasses by Bolle with a bifocal area at the bottom there. I'm getting used to these very well. I've got to the stage now I can see what's in the lathe, but I can't read the verniers very well. Well, no excuses now. Very impressed with these. I've also got an adjustment there on the frame. So if you're like me and got one ear higher than the other, God, you wouldn't want to see my face. You can tweak them there so that your bifocals work correctly. They come with a strap, which is also quite neat because it just kind of pushes onto the earpiece there. So if you got caught up in anything, it would just pull off, which is nice. Something else I'll quickly show you. I got this old machine vise. Let's just set it down now. I'll get back with you in a second. Okay, I got this, as I said, very old and very badly abused machine vise. The light is getting low in here now. And I just took the jaws off, found they were too hard to machine. So I took to them with the grinder because they had a lot of tool crashes in there. You can see one that I couldn't quite get out there. A lot of tool crashes in them, and rolled over edges, and generally in pretty poor condition. I just took the grinder with a flat wheel, took it as smoothly as I could there without rounding the edges, and laid it on a stone and lapped it, and kept grinding down the high spots and lapping, and grinding down the high spots and lapping. Well, it took a few hours, but I've actually ended up with a reasonably decent pair of jaws there. There's one mark there that I really can't get out. I'll have to take half the jaw away, but I've chamfered the edge down a little bit. It won't affect anything what I want to do. And I quickly just folded up some copper jaws there, because copper and brass are great for holding things when you're welding. They conduct power through without making marks and arc strikes on your parts. So that's going to be sitting on a new bench and bolted down and used, and I'll show you a bit more at some point. Well, I thought the table was a little high in the middle, but I've slid this vise all over it, and considering the abuse that the vise has had, it actually doesn't rock anywhere on the table. It's okay. I've got my angle plate there as well, so I'm reasonably happy with this so far. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Even the welds are not too horrendous.